pretty excited. My new tent came in. Let's have a look. I'm gonna set it up later. We'll see how setup goes and everything. Maybe won't have time till tomorrow, but so cool little box, just a standard box with the logo. Open it. This is the tent. So it's not packed real tight, so it'll go a lot smaller. That's the tent poles. Those are nice and light. So I currently, this will be a much lighter than my current tent, and have actually probably a little bit more space. So this is the tent here now. You can see it's just lightly packed. I'll be able to compress it. It's so much lighter. This is just way lighter. I'm gonna weigh it to compare it to what it said before. All right, and there's the ground sheet, which is also lighter too. So this is the X-Dome 2. Man, I can't wait to try this in a couple weeks. Just want to open it up and see. I've got compression bags and dry sacks and stuff that I'll put this in. A, keep it dry, but two, squeeze it down a little smaller in my pack. I'm really anxious to try setting it up to see how much time it saves. This is probably just, yeah, so that's just the tent there. Yeah, the material feels really nice. Oh, pretty anxious. We'll set it up later and see how it is. And like I said, the poles are extremely light too. Like, what a difference. Anxious to try it out. I'm super stoked on that. I also got another new little toy too. So I got these here. These are from, it's called, the company's called Terrain Ultralight. That's cool. Gave me a little sticker and just a little thing. Thank you for supporting our little Canadian cottage gear company. Please leave us a review if you love your new gear. Thanks. Wow, that's cool. I like that personal touch is always really cool. So this here, I'm super excited about. This is my new windscreen. I don't use the windscreen a lot just because our campsites usually are pretty good, but every once in a while I need it. And the one I had, I just bought off of like Amazon or something, and I regretted it from the get-go. The hinges constantly would fall apart. They had little pins in the hinges, and they just constantly fall out. This is just perfect. It's light. It rolls up in a round circle, and then it just opens up like this, and you just put it around your pot. And it's got a little magnet here. Yeah, it's going to be cool. I'm anxious to try that out. It's just simple, and that's all I need, and it saves me some weight and space in my pack, which is what I'm looking for. Boy, I'm going to weigh this to add to my gear list, and it's not going to add much of anything. It's pretty cool, and it's so quick to put together. And then I wanted a new bear hang bag. I had a really heavy duty one, but it's not only was it heavy, but it also didn't pack tight and small. And so even when I ate all the food in it, it still was really big. It was probably, when you packed it all together, it still was like this. It just was unnecessary. And so I'm trying this bag of theirs out. It feels kind of perfect. You know, it's waterproof material. It's nice and light, easy to work with, and like, look how small it packs up, like with nothing in it, where the other one would be huge still. So that I had, so this is going to be perfect. If all my food fits in it for the five or 6 days I'm going, I'm going to be real happy. I dehydrate all my food, so it should fit without any trouble, and it'll be so much smaller right from the get-go, even with the food in it, than what my current one is. It'll be lighter. And then it's going to save me a ton of space in my pack. This trip we're doing, we're not sitting in just one spot. We're traveling a bit. And then I ordered a bandana here. But I think we have an issue. I ordered 2 bandanas. I ordered the Northern Lights and the Galaxy. that I could give one to my wife. Only one showed up, I think, unless I missed something in the package. I'll check now in a sec. I just never had one. Oh yeah, okay. Sorry, they all came. So I never had one, and I just kind of always wanted one, like either to keep the sun off, or if it's a little cool, or keep the bugs away a little bit and stuff. And you know, I just never had bought one, and I saw an opportunity to buy one from this local company. Once again, this is a little Canadian company. It's pretty cool. It's called Terrain UL for ultralight. And so far, I am pretty stoked on their stuff. These are like handmade and stuff like that, apparently. So it's pretty cool. And then, yeah, this is such a genius little idea. It's so simple. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked on this. I love it. All right. Well, I'm looking forward to trying these things out. We're going to set the tent up later and see how it looks.